By all accounts, Callie Witt was destined to be a jockey one day. A coordinator at the BCTC equine program called her an exemplary student, eager to learn, always the first one on the track and the last one to leave.
Everybody was very positive about this gal. She was, a young, hard-working gal that was chasing a dream.
Even those who didn't know Callie personally knew she was something special. Renowned horse trainer Wesley Ward says some of his exercise riders knew her well. Ward was at Keeneland Friday morning when this happened.
News spread around fast of a horrible incident that happened with her, and everybody's just heartbroken.
Ward says an incident like this is rare, but it does happen, and riders understand the inherent risks.
You're sitting, 6 feet above the ground, and, when you're going whatever speed it would be, from 10 to 20 to 30 to even 40 plus miles an hour on change, it's very dangerous.
Ward's been a trainer for more than 30 years, but before that he was a jockey and had his fair share of spills and falls.
Thank God I came out unscathed, but many friends of mine have lost their lives and have been severely injured.
Keeneland's vice president of equine safety said the horse Callie was riding was evaluated and showed no signs of unsoundness or injury. Ward says the young 2-year-old filly was in the process of learning, just like Callie. In Lexington, Mike Valenti, LEX 18 News.
The University of Kentucky students are putting an emphasis on conversations surrounding mental health. Hundreds of them turned out today for the annual Out of the Darkness Walk. It's the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention's signature student-centered fundraiser. The Phi Gamma Delta fraternity organized the event, which is aimed at empowering people to talk about their own connections to suicide. The student chair of UK's walk says he makes it a point to be open about his own mental health struggles to let others know they're not alone.
We need to break down the stigma of mental health and suicide, especially on college campuses. It's something that is really just looked at as kind of taboo, and that we just don't talk about it much. And so, therefore, many people don't get the necessary resources that they really need. And so we can really step out of the darkness into the light.
According to the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention, suicide is the second leading cause of death among 15 to 24-year-olds. If you are in distress, you are not alone. Help is available. Please call the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline at 1-800-273-TALK. You can also